I just traveled 2.5 hours going back to home, changing, going back to Burjuman Mall. It's not more than 20 kilometers of radius, 2.5 hours. You know why? When you take the taxi, it takes you 1 hour going back home. That's like 10 kilometers. That's how much the traffic is right now. There's another thing, oh, here, give me this. Give me this one. See, if you have enough money in your life, let's say you are a millionaire, so you buy your own Lamborghini or whatever, the Mercedes or whatever, or even you can rent it. But if you take the public transportation or whatever, don't do this in the public like this. This is not the way. You are not rich. We all know you have only 10 dirhams in your Knoll card, and that's what you're gonna use until it goes down to 6. Then you will, reload that thing. So don't do this in front of people. Everybody has different things happening around them. People walk around all the day for doing their job. It's hot outside, whatever the thing is. Don't do this. That's the worst thing. And it's most of the time these artists here like this. They have this thing here like this. If you can hear me or not, I'm not sure, but it's like always like this. Also, I'm very happy. I have this small tripod. It's so small. It's just 29 dirham. I bought it from Amazon. I'll show you. Look at this one. This thing. It's so small. It's the perfect grip for your X3000. I'll tell you, I've been looking for something for how many years now, since I have the camera. But this is what I found. And this thing has some weight in it. That means it's more stable because there will be no small jitters. Also, this has enough grip for your forefinger and your thumb. You can hold it perfectly. We eat at Nando's. Look at this drink here. What's this drink?
Lemonade strawberry.
It's still good, I can drink?
Not cold, but
Lemonade strawberry. I'll throw this. Where we go, Nando's, huh? It's downstairs, no?
yeah, but I'm just.
Yeah, we are going there. I see a lot of videos today in Dubai Mall. I was watching Dubai vlogs. Most of the vlogs are people who are traveling. They come here for a week, make a video, go away. They give you information that's half cooked most of the times. And this half information you get from them, then you end up with some, bad experiences. We don't have actually anybody in Dubai who is a regular vlogger, like daily vlogger, who has all the right things to tell you about. And I don't have much experience as well, so I cannot tell you much enough. That's how it is. So hopefully, if I get more time to research, what I'm gonna do is do the research first and then make some videos which are useful for people who are traveling to Dubai. By the way, this is Burjuman Mall. Burjuman, B for Burjuman. There's a lot of new shops opening. There's a lot of renovation going on here since like past few months. I think in winter this will be a better upgrade than what's the other mall? Deira City Center. Yeah, it will be better than Deira City Center. Oh, A for apple?
Very acid.
No, not this one. I'm looking for a cap because my cap is not capping anymore. So I need a new cap.
We will try, guys.
Ah. Okay.
Hold this.
Looks good, no? Why is it white here? Ah. New thing showing up. What's this? Ah, this one's different. Different material. By the way, I have to go to barber. Look at my eyelid. It's still there. No, not that color. Not white. Oh. Let me fix. This is the one, huh? This looks better than the other. It's balanced? Is it balanced? Yeah, it's kind of. But this lock is not good. Let's try it. Aeropostale. Aeropostale. Where is this? This is only Aero. Oh, there. There's more on this side. Let's see how much is a t-shirt. 60 dirham. 49 for bag. Nobody has good ones here. So there is a specific shop. They only make caps. If I find that, I'll buy from there. I forgot the name also. Okay, I have to cancel my correction also. Like package also with you. They're charging me $320 for the whole month with the unlimited data. 10 Mbps is the cap. Then 700 or 800 minutes. That's international. Flexi, they say flexi. Flexi means you can call locally or you can call internationally. Total is 800. Let's go Arden. Arden might have it or might not. Where you at, Arden? This is all looks like female section only. Okay, boys. So this right here is the best thing you can eat at Nando's. No joke. Joke aside. This bread comes with this. You know कलेजी? You खाते हो कलेजी जदों ईद ते है वही सेम कलेजी है बट बेहतरीन बनी है इधर इन्होंने उस तरह बनाई जिस तरह असी खाते हैं पंजाब लाहौर च. It's the best thing. Then you have this. Oh, bottomless. I never knew what bottomless is a drink is before I came to Dubai. The first time I'm like, somebody ordered, give me a bottomless. I'm like, what? Where are we? I was scared to death. Then I knew when they bring the glass, they say bottomless means you can fill it up again. I'm like, my English teacher. You fill it. Makhan भी देना makhan.
It's like roti. How you eat Pakistani food?
हाँ रोटी एंड दिस हाँ साल क्या बात रोटी है ना कसमें तंदूर दी रोटी है ये नाल मज़े आ जा गाढ़ा गाढ़ा शोरबा spicy. You know these Filipino people, they dine a lot. You go anywhere, any restaurant, you'll see them there. I don't know what's with them, why don't they cook at home, but dine every day, every time, everywhere. I think we need to change the side, right? Yours is this, rice always. Mine is mashed potato, extra spicy. I don't need knife, I'll eat with hands. Your boy is gonna eat with hands. That's way better than using this knife, fork. You know, the British has left 1947. We're still bound to their custom, their literature and everything. Anyways, I've been here so many times and I have not shown you the ceiling. Look at the ceiling. This is the most fancy ceilings I've seen. Okay, look what we found here. We found a guy right in the middle of a highway. It's not a highway, but it's a main road. I'll open this can for him. Come here, come here. Yeah. Are you scared? You go back. Okay. You go back. You eat this. You eat this. He's alone here. There's the main road. And it's middle of the night, almost 11 o'clock. He's hungry. Now there are so many here in these streets. All the time these kids are, because there are babies around these streets, Burjuman area. So you have to find these guys and feed them. Mostly they are hungry. Now he's hungry. Look at his belly. He's almost, I'll not touch you. Eat, eat, eat. Oh, it's on my hand. It's on my hands. Big boy, he's like Oreo. You want another Oreo? We bring him? No? We want to bring him, but 7 are a lot. 7 and then add one more is 8. Yeah. Oh, he's thirsty also. Kidnapped kids. Hold this. Here's your dessert. Dessert for the night. Yeah, there you go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. So when they don't spay the cats, they end up giving birth to these 5 or 6 kittens every few months, and that's how they are too many here. And the problem is we cannot stop that because most of these are hiding in the basement, parking basements and stuff. Let's go. There are many people, they feed them every day also. There is this lady, Vietnamese lady in our area. When we got kale, right? When we get the kale in our place, the day I was waiting there, this Vietnamese lady shows up 2 times. Somebody was trying to jump this earlier. Like, you know, it's something you don't want to touch in your life. And in our cities, this is normal. छोटी छोटी नालियाँ हर जगह ते मौजूद ने, जितों मर्जी टप जाओ. गंदे पानी नहर च नहांदे हर टाइम ते इत्थे आके टप्पन दी कोशिश कर रहे हो, वो भी साफ पानी. This is it for today. It's just weekend. Some bullshit stuff I do on all these weekends like this.